Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to make a pop-up Christmas card? Well, let's get started. And these are the materials that I will be using. All right, so I'm gonna randomly draw all of the nice fun things that we see during Christmas. So here's a candy cane. And that's just pretty easy, just a curved line all the way around, and then I'm just going to draw the little stripes. Okay, I'm going to draw the mistletoe, so 3 circles in the middle, and just little sort of arches with a little point. And I'm going to continue on this side as well. Okay, I'm also going to draw a square to make a Christmas present. So 4 lines, a little bow, so a little arch, and then we can have the little dangling streamer here, and we could also have 2 lines down and then across. Okay, could also include a little curved lines inside the bow, a little bell, so a curved line and then across. Can have the little 2 lines down, the little curved shape here. We can decorate the bell. So it's sort of like a little hanging ornament. Okay, I'm also going to draw a little Christmas tree. So curved lines, diagonal. And then I'm going to just join it again, diagonal line. Bring it all the way across. Join it. It's a little trunk here. You can just draw little circles for the ornaments and a little star. So lots of pointy lines, diagonal lines. A little Santa, so curved line across. So let's start with the Santa hat, and then again a curved line, and we'll draw a circle for the little pom-pom. Okay, we're going to draw the little beard. We'll draw the circle for the nose. And we'll just join it just like that. And a circle here. So a curved line. So a nice smile. And 2 circles for Santa for the eyes. Okay, so we have little Santa here, just the head. I colored the drawings and I also cut them out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange them into a nice little Christmas card. All right, so let's do it. Okay, so I grabbed a piece of paper. I'm going to fold it in half, just like this, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half, okay, and then I'll fold it again. Okay, so I cut the paper in half, and now I'm going to fold it again. Okay, now to make it into a pop-up card, I'm going to cut just a line here in the middle, and then another one here. Okay, and all you have to do is just fold it just like that. And then you're going to open the paper and you are going to fold it out just like that. Okay, so that when you open it, we have this section available. And this is where we're gonna glue some of the pictures on here, okay? So I found this nice baby blue paper. So we'll glue this part here on both sides so it's nice and sturdy, okay? So I'm gonna glue that as well. Okay, so I glued it on this side. Now I'm gonna glue it on the other side. I'm using a glue stick. Okay, and then you're going to just glue it just like that. Okay, so in the inside, I am going to glue the Santa's head. So when you close it, it opens just like this. And I'm also going to glue the candy cane. Okay, so that's what will pop up. Now in the front, I'm going to place my little Christmas tree. Okay, and when you open it, I'm going to also glue little decorations. So we can glue this here, the mistletoe, and then I'm going to glue a little present and our little bell ornament. I think I'll place it right here in this corner. Merry Christmas. And then we'll open it and we have a nice pop-up of Santa and candy cane, and then here you can write love. And you write your name. I'll write Love Rose, which is my name. Okay, all right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.